Testament Fjord is well deserving of its reputation as one of the most beautiful fjords in the world. It is a monument to the magnificence of South Greenland.
It's 70 kilometers long, and it has all the way mountains, valleys, lakes, ends with a glacier.
The Greenland Adventure by Land, Sea and Air Voyages have the widest portfolio of included activities. Traveling to South Greenland with Quark Expeditions will allow you to appreciate this destination in the best way possible. Combining the passion of local partners with our incredible expedition team is going to provide an amazing expedition experience. Having Ultramarine as our expedition platform is going to be phenomenal. It'll provide the ultimate comfort and the ultimate access. By using Ultramarine's Zodiac fleet and twin-engine helicopters to take people out into the environment, everyone's experience will be more intimate, with small group sizes for every activity that allow you to make the most of your time ashore. Included activities like paddle excursion, heli hiking, and the ice sheet experience will also give all guests the opportunity to connect with nature in small groups like never before.
It's unimaginable how big our ice sheet is, how much ice, frozen, pure, and you are stepping on it.
Okay, welcome to the ice sheet. Find your head.
It's not a rock, it's not vegetation, it's something you haven't been to before. It's the feeling of being in a whole different place.
Heli hiking will allow travelers to go up into previously inaccessible high alpine regions. When they land, they'll be immediately surrounded by the best views in Greenland.
If you want to take your adventure even further, there's additional paid options that you can sign up for. That includes alpine kayaking, heli mountain biking, or you can join us for the Greenland camp experience.
It was just amazing riding those bikes on the trails. It was so beautiful.
I really like to show what we have here in Greenland and the different taste you have not tasted before.
The camping experience is really something out of the extraordinary. Set up a camp in those remote areas where you really feel like you're the only one in the world. It's just magnificent, and you enjoy a incredible sundown there. It's really something that is spectacular.
With activities designed to take each adventurer further than ever before, the Greenland Adventure Voyages offer something for everyone. Let us take you by land, sea and air into this exquisite wilderness, into a land of mountains, glaciers, and the soft polar twilight. Come to South Greenland with Quark Expeditions and see why we are the leader in polar adventures.